All right, guys, welcome back. I am about to attempt to wrench on my car, but I've got a mess that I need to clean up first. So I figured I would video myself so that you guys can see what pace I work at. So I don't work fast because of my condition, but I get the job done. So I take a lot of breaks, but it just takes me a little bit longer than normal. So sorry for the camera shaking, but here we go. All right, here you go. So as you can see, I got a mess that I need to clean up. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. Here we go. So I got to figure out where a lot of this stuff is going to go. I'm going to speed up this portion because, yeah, this is just going to take forever. Oh, well, here's a perfect example. I'm almost done, and my body said, time to stop. So I'm gonna try to relax for a little bit, see if I can get some more energy to finish up, and then I'm probably gonna have to bring the car in tomorrow and start working on it then. But for now, I just want, you can see I've done quite a bit. I started at 11. It is currently 1:30, so I'm beat. All right, so for now, I'm done. Hopefully, I get enough energy to finish up the garage. If I do, that'll be great, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. So we'll see. All right. Wish me luck. Hopefully I can get some more energy. All right. All right, guys. Well, I got the garage done. It's time to bring the car in. I did get a second wind. It is actually about 3 o'clock right now, so about 2.5 hours of resting, and it got me okay enough to finish up the garage, and then now I'm going to bring the car in, but I'm definitely going to work on it tomorrow. So here we go. All right, that's it. I am done for the day. I'm freaking beat. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe. If you liked what you saw, just, give it a thumbs up and hit the bell so that the next time I come out with a video, which should be soon because I got to tear into this, and it'll be a lot of fun. So for now, guys, I'm Lex the Wrench saying later.